Mike Bellina. I run Cars and Coffee of Wilmington. So it's the third annual Nemours Toy Drive. Just trying to get the car community together and gather as many toys as we can for the kids at the hospital.
My name is Charlene Aloof, but most of the car people here know me as Charlie. These car guys have been part of my family for years, and doing this for Nemours is just amazing. So happy. The car family in this area, they just all come together. We just did Cars and Coffee a couple of weeks ago out in Lancaster, now they're reciprocating, so it's just been an amazing time.
Our first year we raised around $20,000 in toys, and our goal was to double it this year. So I think we should have somewhere close to $50,000 in toys. It's a group effort, and I'm just so thankful that everybody came together at a great time at Christmas to try and make these kids have a really special Christmas.